China's humanoid robotics market has reached a crescendo in 2025, with orders expected to exceed 30,000 units, representing a tenfold increase from the 3,000 total sold in 2024. This dramatic surge positions China as the world's dominant force in humanoid robot production, with the country on track to produce more than half of all humanoids globally this year. The numbers tell an extraordinary story of rapid scaling. 6 major Chinese humanoid manufacturers are planning to produce over 1,000 units each in 2025, driving total domestic output value to approximately $616 million. Companies like Astribot are targeting 5,000 units annually, while Unitree Robotics has become one of the most visible brands in the industry. Government investment and strategic support. Beijing's commitment to robotics dominance is unprecedented. The Chinese government has allocated over $20 billion to the humanoid sector in the past year alone, while establishing a 1 trillion yuan $138 billion fund to support AI and robotic startups over the next 2 decades. This dwarfs investment levels in the United States and Europe, creating what analysts describe as an unassailable advantage in state-backed development. Local governments are equally aggressive. Shenzhen has committed $1.4 billion specifically to AI and robotics development, while Beijing aims to generate over $30 billion in robot industry revenue by 2025. This coordinated national and local support system provides Chinese companies with resources that Western competitors simply cannot match. Innovation: China's manufacturing and supply chain advantages. China's robotics revolution builds upon decades of manufacturing expertise and an integrated supply chain ecosystem that competitors cannot easily replicate. The country's cost advantages are staggering. Manufacturing a robotic arm of similar specifications costs 2.2 times more in the United States than in China. The supply chain ecosystem. Chinese robotics companies benefit from what industry experts call cluster effects, the ability to source virtually any component within 0.5 to 2 hours in manufacturing hubs like Shenzhen, compared to weeks of lead time for Western competitors. This proximity advantage enables rapid prototyping cycles measured in days rather than months. The ecosystem extends beyond basic manufacturing. China controls 80% of global battery production at costs roughly 1/3 lower than North America and Europe. The country also dominates 90% of rare earth element production, which is essential for the permanent magnets used in robot motors. This vertical integration creates what analysts describe as a feedback loop, where cheaper components enable bigger production runs, generating more field data and attracting more customers. Chinese companies are leveraging their experience from other industries, particularly electric vehicles, to accelerate humanoid development. EV manufacturers like BYD, XPeng, and NIO have entered the humanoid space, bringing expertise in sensors, batteries, and manufacturing scale that directly translates to robotics. XPeng's Iron Robot, for example, shares AI technology with the company's electric vehicles and features over 60 joints with more than 200 degrees of freedom. The technical capabilities are impressive. Companies like Linkabot Technology claim to have developed robotic hands with 42 degrees of freedom, surpassing even advanced Western systems like Shadow Hand's 26 degrees. UBTech's Walker S2 robot stands 1.76 meters tall with 52 degrees of freedom and can carry 15 kilogram loads while performing complex movements including battery swapping without human assistance. The reality check: challenges behind the headlines. Despite the impressive growth metrics and technical achievements, the Chinese humanoid robotics boom faces significant challenges that could determine whether the current order frenzy translates into sustainable market leadership. Production capacity constraints. The gap between orders and actual delivery capability represents the industry's most pressing challenge. Many Chinese companies lack the production capacity to fulfill their ambitious order books. Industry insiders acknowledge that a significant portion of the 30,000 orders are intent orders or framework agreements rather than confirmed sales. Manufacturing bottlenecks are particularly acute in precision components. High-precision grinding machines needed for key components like planetary roller screws are limited in number globally, creating constraints that affect the entire industry. Each humanoid robot requires between 14 and 40 plus planetary roller screws, and the manufacturing tolerances are measured in micrometers, approaching the limits of mechanical machining. The B2B reality versus consumer dreams. Current market dynamics reveal a sobering truth. Consumer demand represents only about 5% of total sales, with the market being overwhelmingly B2B focused. This concentration in business-to-business applications suggests that the vision of robots in every home remains distant, despite marketing narratives suggesting otherwise. The deployed robots are primarily focused on specific industrial tasks. UBTech reports that its humanoid robots in factory settings achieve only 30 to 40% of human-level efficiency. While this represents progress, it underscores the significant performance gaps that remain before humanoids can truly replace human workers in complex manufacturing environments. Financial and strategic realities. The investment boom, while impressive in scale, may mask underlying vulnerabilities. UBTech, one of China's leading humanoid manufacturers, reported losses despite its aggressive expansion plans. The company's $20,000 home companion robot planned for 2025 faces significant market uncertainty, particularly given Tesla's competing $20,000 to $30,000 Optimus pricing for 2026. Unitree Robotics' planned $7 billion IPO valuation represents both the sector's ambitions and its risks. While the company offers competitive pricing, its G1 robot starting at $16,000 compared to Tesla's estimated $20,000 to $30,000, the valuation assumes successful scaling that has yet to be proven at mass market levels. The EV moment question. Industry analysts debate whether humanoid robotics is approaching its EV moment, the breakthrough point where technological bottlenecks are resolved and sales leap from thousands to millions of units. UBS estimates this transformative moment may not occur within the next 5 years due to barriers in AI, data collection, and regulatory frameworks. However, Chinese companies appear better positioned to weather the development period. Goldman Sachs projects that by 2035, the global humanoid robot market could reach $38 billion, with around 250,000 units shipped in 5 years, primarily for industrial applications. Chinese manufacturers' cost advantages and production capacity could position them to capture a disproportionate share of this market. The delivery challenge, from hype to reality. The fundamental question facing China's humanoid robotics industry is execution capability. The order boom represents a starting point, not a finish line. Success will be determined not by who can secure the largest orders, but by who can consistently deliver on commitments and build stable, profitable operations. Manufacturing scale remains the critical test. While Chinese companies demonstrate impressive prototypes and secure substantial orders, the transition from thousands to tens of thousands of units annually requires infrastructure investments and quality control systems that have yet to be proven. The industry's ability to overcome precision manufacturing bottlenecks, particularly in components like planetary roller screws and dexterous hands, will determine whether the current growth trajectory can be sustained. The geopolitical dimension adds another layer of complexity. U.S. tariffs and technology restrictions could disrupt supply chains and market access, potentially limiting the global expansion that Chinese companies require to achieve true scale. However, China's domestic market size and government support may provide sufficient foundation for continued growth even amid international tensions. China's humanoid robotics revolution in 2025 represents both unprecedented opportunity and significant risk. The scale of investment, manufacturing capabilities, and technical progress positions Chinese companies as the likely leaders in global humanoid robot production. However, the gap between order books and delivery capability, combined with persistent technical challenges and market uncertainties, suggests that the industry's transformation is still in early stages. The companies that will emerge as China's robotics Teslas will be those that can balance innovation with execution, managing the transition from prototype to mass production while building sustainable business models. The next 12 to 18 months will be crucial in determining which Chinese robotics companies can deliver on their ambitious promises and establish lasting market leadership. As the industry evolves from order frenzy to actual delivery, the fundamental question remains: will China's scale advantages and manufacturing prowess translate into global dominance in humanoid robotics, or will execution challenges and market realities constrain the current explosive growth? The answer will shape not only the robotics industry but the broader landscape of automation, manufacturing, and human-machine interaction for decades to come.